Jonathan Young.
Sir, on the 12th of February 2014, Shane Jones railed against Progressive Enterprises here in this House. Just today, they gave $30,000 to Taranaki DHB Child's Ward. And I said that because they had been severely criticised. And this is a grocery chain that over the last 10 years have given $10 million to hospitals. And the reason why they do that is because they are profitable. And the reason why they are able to not only supply consumers with goods and also supply income to suppliers is because they are a profitable organisation. And I think, sir, that when it comes to this bill, it's trying to duplicate in a minute way, in a granular way, the responsibilities and the activities of the Commerce Commission. Now, we know because of what happened 12th of February last year that a letter was received by the Commerce Commission. They felt that it was a serious enough allegation to go into an investigation, which when they came to report to the Commerce Committee, which I was chairing at the particular point in time, members like Clayton Cosgrove certainly put the fire to their feet to try and find out exactly what they were investigating or what sort of outcomes they'd come to. Sir, they have printed a report that's available to the public, and they have said that the practices which they found, sir, were not unlawful. And when it comes to, for example, coercion is actually what happens in business. I go and buy something, and it's called pressure. It's called just negotiation. Sure, now those gentlemen across the side there, other side there, may bring out their issues and quote their things. But sir, when it came to the Commerce Commission's report, sir, what they said when they looked at this particular issue is that they said Progressive assertively communicated its expectations for improved performance and margin to two suppliers. Progressive advised that it may have to consider how it sourced, ranged, displayed and promoted the supplier's products. If the suppliers failed to meet Progressive's expectations, the two suppliers concerned were large multinational companies. And so this is the business of buying and selling and supplying and creating an opportunity, an outlet for those products. And it happens. It happens. And so this, in fact, sir, there were comments made around what the Commerce Commission looked at, which I just want to read out to you because I find it very, very interesting indeed. They said the courts have recognised that in everyday non-legal terms, anyone may feel coerced if, while under pressure, they agree to do something they would prefer not to do. However, the courts have said that something more than persuasion is required to breach Section 23, and not every form of pressure amounts to coercion in law. So, look, all of these issues are about where is the fine line. And we essentially disagree with this bill because we believe that the courts of this country, the Commerce Commission, have everything that they need in terms of legal ability to work through these issues if there are genuine and serious complaints. Sir, it's very interesting to know that food prices decreased 0.5% in the year to October 2015. Sir, it's interesting also to know that, for example, Countdown added 7,000 new products to its stores in 2013, equal to 23% of total products. There is huge competition to get your product on their shelves because many hundreds of thousands of New Zealanders go there to buy. And they need to have that expectation that a product that is promised is going to be a great seller is going to achieve their goals because it's their business to be, in a sense, infrastructure and ability for consumers to come and purchase, and they have people who compete to get on their shelves. All of this is how this grocery business works. What this member is wanting to do is create an adjudicator that I think is not going to work in the way that she wants it to work. But, sir, we do have the Commerce Commission, we have the courts of this nation who, sir, work, I think, very effectively in this particular area.